So then guys, how are we? Now, as you probably see from the title below, it is the UK Smash Off 2022 final. Yes, I've been blessed to be the deciding judge. So glad this competition is back. I've entered it myself a fair few years now. These last couple of years have just been lousy what's been going off. So to have this back up again with a new chairman as well, fair made up to see it running, really are. Ian Johnson, well done for organising absolutely everything, and to the hubs as well that supported getting these beers back out to each and every one of you. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to pop the beer on camera. We'll have a good aroma, a bit of a taste, nothing too much, because I'm going to go off camera then and then score evenly, fairly as possible. Now I'm going to use the exact same score sheets as you guys did during the deciding judging rounds. Winner from group 1, I believe it was Jim McCarthy. He got an absolutely solid score of 300.5. One absolutely strong score indeed. And then winner of group 2 was Richard Williams. I believe, what was it, 286. I've written it down. No, sorry, 282. So, you know, about 18 points in it. But we'll see what occurs. Why not? I'm just going to mark it all out of 50. And, you know, with solid scores like that, you know it's going to be tight. I cannot wait. So, I have a beer, Citra and Golden Promise. It says it's been used with the white yeast, 1056, and it's come out at 4.5%. And the second one I've got is the Ruaka Pilsner SMaSH. There's no ABV on this. So I may be going in blind, and I hope it doesn't give me too much of a chest burn if it's some big impy, who knows. So what I'm going to do first, I will go for the Citra and Golden Promise. Why not? Looking at the bottle, absolutely sterling clear. Don't know if you can see that, but you'll see it when I get into the little tumbler glass here. It looks like it is bottle conditioned slightly. Great pop, and you know, lovely cannon smoke coming off there. Now, there's nothing wrong with bottle conditioned beers, because I bottle condition all my beers. When I've got my setup in here, I would love to get one of these fancy taps, and the eye taps, I can't remember what they're called. You know, probably get some good carbonation straight from your keg. So we'll kill off there, slide a little bit, nothing too much, so we can leave that there. There you go. Colour is looking nice. Got a lovely golden colour. Carbonation is actually streaming up this glass, guys. I've got a lovely tight little finger of a cap. Showcase it in a shiny brewery glass, why not? On the aroma, it's lovely, it's powerful, it's Citra. What else do you expect? So clean, so clean tasting. No off flavours. Absolutely lovely. Great, solid SMaSH to kick it off with. Now, I'd love to carry on talking about it, guys, as we know, but this video is going to literally be around about 10 minutes, so I'm going to get these filled in. I'll do my absolutely honest best on it. Obviously, we've got the aroma, the appearance, flavour, mouthfeel, and the overall impression. So what I'll do with the Pilsner and Ruaka SMaSH, I'll save that one for tomorrow, because I want a lovely, clean, fresh palate. We're back, new day, new beer, guys. Yesterday's Golden Promise and Citra SMaSH, you know, 4.5%. Strong beer, well done to the brewer indeed. Got all my scores written down. Let's see how the Ruaka and Pilsner SMaSH compares to it. Now, clarity, you can already see, guys, it's looking great there. better day today. You can appreciate the light coming through, so I do apologise yesterday, it was a bit dull, but you know, fantastic beer it really was. No ABV on this, so we're going to have to give it a good idea. I can't see no sediment. I didn't mention that yesterday, I wasn't too sure, but you know, but it is lovely and tight in the bottle. Great pop indeed. Lovely can of smoke. On the aroma, nice lemon. Yeah. Now, Ruaka hops. Have I had Ruaka hops before? Have I used them? I'm pretty sure I probably even said that wrong. New Zealand hop. I know them well. Now, I've seen some ales before, but I may have used them back in my home brewing days, you know, a few years back. But if I'm honest, guys, I can't remember too much about them. Looks like we can get all this in. Leave it, yeah, definitely no sediment. Really, really clean. Can you see that already? Not sure you can see the carbonation. You can, look. Absolutely kicking it into it there. It really, really is. Now, yeah, New Zealand hop, if I remember right, they are very, like, citrusy, bit of lemon tones in there. Pretty sure. I'm going to go straight in, guys. Picking up good lemon on the nose. Cheers to the brewer. I don't think Ruaka hops are very, you know, high in alpha acids. Are they around about 5, 6? Nothing like the Citra that's really high into, as we all know. Like 12, 11, I'm not sure. But the flavours come through. The flavours come through so much, so delicate. You know, you're getting different flavours. You're getting that lovely soft fruitiness, and then the sharpness of, like, you know, the Citra lemon cleans it through straight after. It really does. The maltiness from the Pilsner malt is there, very bready, and the head proper sticking around. It really is. Obviously it's not bottle conditioned. This would have been straight off keg, and yeah, really, really good in the glass. Looks great, don't it, guys? So we'll leave that there. Pardon me. Very cold. I will get the scores written down now, and then we'll follow up with a little bit of a video just talking about both the beers. So that's it, guys. Both beers are now done and dusted. Let me tell you something now. Absolutely two fantastic SMaSH beers. Very, very strong indeed. You can clearly see, you know, why they're both for top of the groups, getting through to the final, etc. But you know, seriously nice. Very hard to judge. Took my time with them, both beers. Let them warmed up for a good hour, etc. You know, picking up different, you know, flavours as it went on and stuff like that. Monitoring the head retention, carbonation. But there only could be one winner, as we know. And there was actually 4 points in it. Now, one of the beers I scored 45.5 out of 50, so lovely and solid score. And the other one, 41.5, 41.5 out of 50. So yeah, 45.5 out of 50, and the winning SMaSH beer is, it's a Pilsner and Ruaka SMaSH. For me, absolutely blinding, it really was. You know, carbonation just was on point, it really was. Just did not go anywhere, just stuck around all the time. Head retention didn't disappear, and I found more flavours came along as it went on. The Golden Promise and Citra, it was lovely as well. You know, very close, but the Golden Promise and the malt and the hop, sorry, they paired so well. The sweetness and the Citra part, it was ever so nice. It really was. I just think, you know, there's just a lack of head retention and carbonation, but it's always hard with a SMaSH beer because you're using that one malt. You're not throwing no dextrin malt in, carapils, etc. to help with that head retention, are you? So I couldn't really fault too much on that. But the carbonation just wasn't as there for me. But I'm guessing because that was bottle conditioned, where I'm pretty sure the other one was bottled off a keg. So, but you know, both beautiful, beautiful beers. So well done to the brewers indeed. I'm going to get the score sheets sent off to Ian Johnson, the chairman, organiser of this great SMaSH off what's occurred this year. I think he'll email the score sheets separately, you know, to the brewer so they can have a good read through of what I put. But yeah, there's some prizes coming your way as well, guys. So well done indeed. So yeah, brewing guys, well done indeed. Top work, you know, fair enjoyed taking part. This really did. But you're both solid brewers. So well done, and we'll catch you again. Cheers.